Hey, welcome to Task Tracker. If you're new to crypto and looking for an easy way to score some free tokens, you'll want to check out the confirmed airdrop from Mavryk Network, or MVRK. So, what's Mavryk Network? It's a decentralized finance protocol focused on lending, staking, and synthetic assets. They've already raised $5.2 million from big-name backers, and now they're rewarding early users, like you, via their testnet and bounty campaigns. Let me walk you through how to get involved and qualify for the airdrop. First, join the testnet. Head to the Mavryk website, install their wallet extension and create your wallet. After that, hit up the faucet to grab some free MVRK, MVN, and USDT test tokens. Next, deposit your MVRK and USDT, then use the Create Vault feature to borrow against your assets. Pick a validator, name your vault, and confirm everything. Now move on to staking. Stake your MVNs in the staking tab, then delegate them in the satellite section to help secure the network. Don't forget to buy virtual land. Visit Hilton Mars One and oceanfront property on their platform. Click buy, accept the terms, and confirm. If a transaction fails, just reduce your USDT amount a bit. Super important, pair your Mavryk wallet with your EVM-compatible wallet. You can only do this once, so double-check it. Finally, complete the Galxe tasks. Connect your wallet, follow Mavryk, retweet, and verify. This boosts your XP and reward potential. The airdrop is confirmed, but the reward date is still TBA. Don't miss your shot at free MVRK tokens. Complete the steps now. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and stay tuned for more drops with Task Tracker.